Tiretronics learning. Notice: Tiretronics manual learning need to be performed when any of the following conditions are met. When any of the Tiretronics sensors are replaced. When any of the tires are replaced. If any of the tires or set of tires are shuffled or swapped. If tire rotation operation is performed. If it is observed that the alert indications in the Tiretronics screen are not correlating with respect to their actual position in the vehicle. Warning. Notice: to initiate Tiretronics manual learning process, turn ignition off. Press and hold the up button on the steering wheel switch. Turn the ignition on. Wait for the tachometer and speedometer in the cluster to complete full swipe and then release the button. When manual learning is activated, the Tiretronics telltale in the cluster will blink, the vehicle siren will chirp twice, the turn lamps will blink twice, and TPMS manual learning will be shown as a message in the cluster. Caution: once manual learning is activated, start leaking the air from the front left tire for 30 to 40 seconds and stop for 5 seconds. Repeat until the tire gets learnt. On learning, one siren chirp sound will be heard and FL tire learned message will be displayed in the cluster screen. Warning: repeat the same procedure for all other tires, front right tire, rear right tire and rear left tire, for manual Tiretronics learning. On successful completion, TPMS manual learning successful message will be displayed. Caution: post-manual learning, fill all tires to the placard pressure value.